Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are trying out a brand new release eyeshadow palette and a few other things that I placed a separate order on. So if you would like to try if you would like to see me try the new ABH palette that just launched, plus a couple other things from Milani that just launched, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. I hope everybody's been doing well. And if you are new to me and this is your first time seeing me, welcome. My name is Belinda. I am a 50-year-old self-taught makeup artist here on YouTube. I like to do makeup tutorials, makeup unboxings, tricks and hacks. I also like to do reviews, skincare, hair care. Once in a while I'll do a cooking video, but if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then please smash that subscribe button, the bell to all, and that way you don't miss a notification. And for all of you OG like to spend some time with me, I really appreciate this. So let's get into this video. Okay, my eyes are primed, and I do have on foundation. Now this is, I ordered this to use as concealer, but I think it's going to be too light. It is an alabaster. I was trying to get a pink, but I guess this is the closest thing they have to pink. This is not what I wanted, but we'll use it. I actually mixed my foundations to get this foundation color today with this color. So it might be a little bright. And then I got the liquid contour. Yeah, that looks a little too dark too, but we're going to try them out and see how they go. So with this one, the color is Honey 01. And we are just going to do just like that right there, and then we're just going to blend it in. This is their new contour. I tried to get the eyeliner, the one for the eye, and I couldn't get it, so I got a, what do you call it, highlighter shade and a contour shade, and then of course I got the alabaster conceal and perfect. I hope everybody's been having a good weekend this weekend. My granddaughter came over and we cleaned the house together. She's been helping me some. And yeah, we did that together on Saturday. Friday, me and Brian had like doctor's appointments all day long and running to do. So we were out all day, and then by the time we got home, we were tired. I mean, I was like driving and was like, I don't think I should be driving. I'm so tired. Which he had been to work that night, the night before, so he had worked all night, then gets off and has to go straight in to the doctor. so he couldn't drive. I got us there and back and home safely. I was just so sleepy. I'm gonna do a couple little dots right there just so we can say we did them. That did darken up the face a little bit, so I'm happy with that. And now we are going to put on concealer, and I think for my concealer I'm gonna go in with since I already used the Alabaster, I'm gonna go in with this Maybelline eraser. Okay, so the face is ready. Now we will do the eyes. Okay, guys, this palette is so pretty. Look at all of the little extras here on the ends. I just love this packaging. It's so sleek, so smooth. It does have a mirror. There are 12 shades in this palette. I love the whole aesthetic. I love that it's gray, it's slate. I love the color story. It's so pretty. I just think this is a very pretty palette, and I really wanted it, or I wouldn't have gotten it. Here is the first top row of all of the shades. You see you've got a pop of orange there, you've got some green, you got some greenish gold, you got some rose colored shades, a taupe, and then over here, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. This is like oh, it's like a lime, but oh, it's got green reflect all in it. This dark brassy color. Then we have another rose toned, a rustic color, then a gray. And then this one is like a burgundy. Now this gray does have some metallic in it. But this side right here is my favorite. I like them all, but if I had to pick a favorite side, it would be this side right here. So we're going to work out of this palette and create a look real fast. I've already got the majority of my face done, so let's jump into this. I am going in with the color Rose Quartz. I'm taking that above my hooded eye and just, God, look how pretty that laid down. I mean, that's just so perfect. And it does have a bit of the metallic in this shade also. Some people with mature hooded eyes may not like that, but I'm here for it. I like it a lot. Okay, I'm going to take the E29 into this Sun Rose. I'm just barely tapping in and then just tapping onto something to get the excess off, and I'm gonna go above that and just kind of, because we want to add just a little bit of that rust color above here. Not too dark, but just a little bit. Yeah. Okay, now we are going to dip into ashes. And this is ashes right here. So I'm just going to, ooh, I like that. And we're gonna build this up about midway. That was the color Nocturne, which is this one right here. I just dipped into the palette with this stubby brush. And we're just gonna go up to make some dimension right here. There we go. I'm gonna go over here and do the same. Now I'm just gonna go over it. I'm just gonna go over and just tap and make sure everything's tapped in. So I did cut the crease with the ABH eye primer, just a pinch in the front. And now I'm going to go in with Royal, which is this color right here. And I'm going to take it right at the edge of the cut crease. And then I'm going to take a brush. Alright, and the very last color I'm going to go in with is Heavenly. And that is this green gold. And we're going to pop that right here in the front. When I seen this palette, I was like, oh my God, look at all the metals. It looks so pretty. I gotta have it. And I love ABH. I mean, ABH is one of my top brands that I love. I love their formula. I love Norvina. This is just, ooh, everything fall. I just love this whole palette. It's so fall looking. It's got those burnt oranges. It has the greens, the green foliage. It has the rustiness, the browns, the earthy tones. It has the grays. I mean, it's got the light pinks, the dusty mauves. It has everything a palette needs for fall. It's just gorgeous. I mean, gosh, that is so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna get off here, finish up my eyes, and then clean them up, and then I will be back with you to show you the end of the eye look, talk about what I've got on my face, how I feel about it, and we're gonna put on some highlighter. So I'll be right back. Okay, guys, this is my finished look with the Rose Metals palette by ABH. It performed amazing, 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 amazing. The swatches are gorgeous. There is so many different color stories that you can choose from these to make a look. I did use several of them. I'm using the ABH lashes in Lengthy. And for my lip, it is the Queen Studios Red SOS, but this is the color of it. And then I took 90210 from Gerard Cosmetics and a little bit of Mouth Cloud. It puts a little bit of a brown in it to kind of tone it down. To be more like the color Royal in the palette. I really, really, really love this palette. The formula is so different than anything I've ever used from ABH. So I really, really like it. I like the look. I like the textures that are in the palette. Just gorgeous all the way around. And then for this, I did put this on across that with this in Lunar, and took this down the nose right here on the inner corner, the brow bone. This, I love the formula of this. If I could just get my correct shade. I did make the shade that I'm wearing tonight. It performed amazingly. It feels really good on the skin. It's a full coverage foundation. I didn't have to apply like a lot, just a little bit. And but let me know what you thought of this tutorial on this palette. The finishes on this palette are just beautiful. I haven't seen anything like it from ABH, so the finishes in this palette are just stunning. And I do love the packaging. I love the swatches. I love every bit of it. So let me know what you thought of the ABH palette. Did you pick it up? And have you tried any of the new Milani Conceal and Perfect products? The end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern woman from the South, then please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. So y'all stay blessed.